This is Dangerous Parrot Products at Petco, Part 2. First up is dowel perches. A couple are fine if you carve them, but if you have all dowels, it's not okay. Natural wood is a much safer option, and platform. Next up, we have bird baths with mirrors, for the same reason as why mirrors are dangerous in Part 1. These bird baths are much safer, just keep them clean. Finally, we have bird litter. It won't hurt your bird as long as it's not scented, but you can't monitor their droppings, which is necessary to making sure that their health is okay. Use newspaper or construction paper to monitor them.